Hey friends, if you wish to install the Panda free antivirus on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. It's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. First of all, open your browser and search for Panda free antivirus. Go to this website pandasecurity.com. Okay, there will be a free download option. Click on this one. Wait for a few seconds. You'll get the installer file. Click on open and it will start the installer process. Okay, just wait for a few seconds, it will open up. Click on next, accept and install. I do not want to install Opera, but I just want the this thing antivirus, so I'll click on next. And now it will start downloading files and installing the Panda free antivirus on your system. All you need to do is wait for a few minutes and it will do the job for you. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.